Here are some effective weight loss methods for women. Diet: focus on eating nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Reduce your calorie intake by cutting back on processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Exercise: incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises into your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity most days of the week. Mindfulness: practice mindfulness through activities such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. This can help reduce stress and emotional eating. Hydration: drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help flush out toxins. Sleep: aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Lack of sleep has been linked to weight gain. Support: surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family, or join a weight loss support group. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is finding a lifestyle that is sustainable for you and includes a balance of healthy eating and physical activity.